Fear, trauma and negative thinking destroy a person. When a prisoner was sentenced to death in the United States, some scientists there thought, why not some experiments on that prisoner do? The prisoner was told that we would not kill you by hanging, but by biting a poisonous cobra, snake. A large venomous cobra was brought in front of him and he was blindfolded and tied to a chair. Then, he was bitten, not by a snake, but by 2 safety pins. The prisoner died within seconds. An autopsy revealed that the prisoner's body contained venom, similar to that of a snake. Now, where did this poison come from that took the life of this prisoner? That poison was released by his body in shock. Scientists then came to the conclusion that every action we take produces positive or negative energy, and that our bodies produce hormones accordingly. Remember, 75% of illnesses are caused by negative thinking. Today, man is destroying himself with his negative thinking. Always keep your thoughts positive and always be happy. Until the age of 25, we don't care what people think about us. Until the age of 50, we live in fear of what people think about us. After 50 years, it turns out that no one was thinking about us. Life is beautiful, so always be happy. If you like this short motivational story, please comment below and also share this story with others. Maybe this will help others to change their life.